Hello students. So in today's lecture we are going to see about the XML documents and the document type declaration, that is DTD. So what is an XML document? Let's start with the definition. So an XML document is a basic unit of XML information composed of elements and other markups in orderly package. So what are the composition of it? It is composed with the elements and other markup language. Other markup language such as the tags and the attributes. So an XML document can contain wide variety of data. For example, database of numbers representing molecular structure or a mathematical equation. So in this XML documents we can use or we can insert some data such as number and the number representing molecular structures or any mathematical equations. So this is a simple example of XML documents. Let's see that. So this the first line is this one. It is called as document prologue. So in document prologue, what are stored? The first thing is stored as the version of XML, that is which version we are using and what is its UTF encoding. We also specify encoding over here in the document prologue. So we specify these two things in the document prologue. And the second one is document elements. So what are the elements? The elements are the tags, attributes and the values which are stored under that tag. So in this example we are having some tags such as contact info, name, company, phone number, and these are all tags. So these are known as the elements. So let's move on to the components of this XML documents. So it comprises of two things. The first one is document prologue and the second one is document elements section. So document prologues comes at the top of the document and before root element. So this prologue section, let's move on to the previous slide. This prologue section is not mandatory. We can use it, but if we when we are using, we have to specify this declarations. So this section contains XML declaration and document type declaration. So DTD, this is DTD which we will study in the next topic. DTD, this is very important topic. There are two types of DTD. The first one is internal DTD and the second one is external DTD. तो डॉक्यूमेंट प्रोलॉग का काम ये होता है कि वो जो भी हम वर्जन यूज़ करते हैं XML का वो उसे डिफ़ाइन करता है और किस इनकोडिंग में हम कोड लिखने जा रहे हैं. सभी कोड का अपना अपना एक रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन होता है. व्हाट विच इनकोडिंग इट इज़ फॉलोइंग. सो वी डिक्लेयर द इनकोडिंग इन दिस document prologue. And the second one is document elements section. So document elements are the building blocks of XML and these divide the documents into a hierarchy of sections. So as we know that if we are writing something like HTML के बाद एक hierarchical structure बनाते हैं, head, then title. So this is a hierarchy like structure. यहाँ पे जो structure बन रहा है वो hierarchical बन रहा है. So that means each serving a specific purpose. हर एक टैग का अपना एक अलग पर्पस होता है and we can separate a document into multiple sections so that they can be rendered differently. And we can also say that if we will define these sections in hierarchical form, so it will be also very easy for a programmer to understand the things, so to understand the codes. So they can be rendered differently or used by a search engine. So the elements can be container. These elements, the elements which we have seen in the last slide, that is these elements. So these elements can be containers with a combination of text and other elements. So what are the things which are there in the container? There are text and other elements. So other elements include the special symbols, the numerical and the and the molecular structure and mathematical operation, each and everything which are there in the elements are considered to be the containers. So this was all about the XML documents, and let's see the XML declaration, how we declare XML and what are the features, syntax for declaring an XML. So XML declaration contains details that prepare an XML processor to parse the XML document. What is the meaning of this parse? पार्स का मतलब क्या होता है कि वन बाय वन वी विल, जैसे कंपाइल होता है उसी तरह से पार्स होता है. वी हैव टू गिव वन इनपुट and we have to check the what is the output which is being provided by that complete system. So here system means the code, the XML code, and we insert some input and we find out what are the inputs which we are getting. So it is optional, this declaration is optional. We sometimes we declare it and sometimes we do not have to declare it. So it is optional, but when used it must appear in the first line of the XML document. मतलब जब भी हमें ये declaration use करना है XML का, तो we have to use in the first line. मतलब इसके ऊपर कोई भी किसी तरह का कोड नहीं लिखते हैं. We have to write the first element as this one, XML version, encoding, standalone. These are the attributes of this declaration tag. And this declaration tag always starts with this question mark and always end with this question mark. तो ये होता है syntax declaration का. And inside the declaration what we write the XML version, that is which version we are using, and the encoding, that means UTF-8 encoding, UTF-6 or any other encoding what we are using, we have to write in this declaration part. And each parameter consists of a parameter name and with an equal sign and the parameter value. So these are the parameter names, the things XML version, encoding and standalone. These three things are the parameter names and these are the values. That means these are the value of the attributes, version, encoding and standalone. So we are having some rules for declaring this declaration, XML declaration. Let's move on to that. So an XML declaration should abide with the following rules. The first one is, if the XML declaration is present in the XML, it must be placed as the first line in the XML document. Already we have seen that if we are placing this declaration, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ता है, सारे कोड से ऊपर सबसे ऊपर we have to declare the XML declaration. The second point is, if the XML declaration is included, it must contain version. We have also studied this one, that is version is very important. If we are declaring any XML documents, we have to specify the version of the XML which we are going to use in this program. The third one is, the parameter names and the values are case sensitive. So the things, the parameters, the attributes, the tags which we are writing is case sensitive over here. That means if we are writing in capital, then the small letter words are will give an error. The next one is, the names are always in lowercase. So all the names are in the lowercase. The order of placing of parameters is important, and the correct order is version, encoding and standalone. So this is the order we have to keep in our mind, that when we are starting this XML declaration, this question mark XML, first of all we have to write version, then encoding and then standalone. So this is the proper order of writing the declaration of an XML. So either single or double quotes may be used. So in case of this value, we can write single quotes also or double quotes also. So the last one is, the XML declaration has no closing tag. That is, ये जो XML का tag है, we have already seen over here that there is no closing tag. यहाँ पे ये जो opening tag था, we do not have any closing tag such as ये वाला. We are not having any closing tag, so it's not mandatory. So that's all for this one. We will see an example in the next video. Thank you.